So this is Charlie, my eldest grandson, and he's flown my drone a few times, but not really done much with it, isn't that right? But today I'm going to teach you how to do a parallax, right? And he's going to do a parallax around the Barony A-frame. What are your feelings about that?
I'm very excited about it.
Okay, and do you think you'll do okay?
Yeah, I think so.
I think Charlie will do okay as well because he has a PS5 and he's really, really good with the controller. And it's similar to a controller like this, so he's used to kind of parallax type movements. So let's see. And there's something else that we can see right up there. What is that?
A moon.
The moon. We can see the moon. So what I want you to do today during the flight as well is once you've done your parallax, have a wee flyabout and let's see if you can zoom in on the moon. You think you'll be able to do that?
Yep.
And then do you think you'll be able to hit the return to home button and make it come home safely itself? Right, so that's the tasks that we have for Charlie today. Let's see how he gets on with it.
Let's go. Papa, I need to pop back home real trick.
I can't take you all the way home, Charlie.
Too bad, I can teleport. I'm joking.
Out in Scotland, sky so wide, Charlie took his drone for a ride. With steady hands and eagle eyes, he soared it high, what a surprise. Papa's drone, a gift to steer through the wind without a fear. Round and round, smooth and clean, a parallax like he's never seen. Charlie flies, the world looks small, gliding past the A-frame tall. Around he goes with perfect flow, mastering the skies below. First time trying, first time right, spinning smooth in perfect flight. Fast to learn, sharp and keen, the best young pilot Scotland's seen. Papa smiled, the drone stayed true. Charlie knew just what to do. Sky's the limit, watch him rise, a future race up in the skies. Charlie flies, the world looks small, gliding past the A-frame tall. Round he goes with perfect flow, mastering the skies below. Loops and dives, twists so tight, drifting through the golden light. New tricks waiting, skills to grow. Super pilot, watch him go. Charlie flies, the world looks small, gliding past the A-frame tall. One more turn, one more show. Next stop, the stars. Let's go. Out in Scotland, sky so free, Charlie's flying, wait and see. Let's go.
So Charlie, that was excellent. Your first parallax, you did really, really well. I liked how your movements were gentle, but you knew to ease off on them just to keep everything in the centre. What did you feel? What were your feelings on that?
I felt pretty happy of myself. I felt proud of myself.
Well, I'm very proud of you too. I think you did a fantastic job. So next time we come out, we'll look at advancing you on and seeing some other manoeuvres that you could possibly do. Okay. If you think Charlie did a good job there, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment letting Charlie know how you did. Till next time,
Bye!
cheerio with the new.